Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to know if someone blocked you on X, formerly Twitter. To do this, it's very simple. You should go open X, and I blocked myself. I blocked this account, this second account. I blocked it from my primary account. So I will tell you now how to know. So to know, it's very easy. You should go and look for the person that you think that he blocked you and enter to his profile. And as you can see here, X tells me that my main profile, Ahmed Banatiya, has blocked you. So you can't interact with any post with in the profile of the person that blocked you. You can't follow him also. It tells you that you are blocked, so you can't follow him. And you can't also send him direct messages. So from this year, the company of X decided that they are having transparent block rules. So that's why you can find the person who blocked you, and X will tells you that this person has blocked you, and you can see all of his posts, but you can't interact with them. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you.